Hi, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and today we're at one of my projects and we have problems with our subfloor. It has moisture in it. It has a moisture content that's way too high for us to install wood. I'm going to show you exactly what we did to correct it. Without any further ado, let's hit it.
It's beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
We're going to show you how to install Bostik's MVP4 for moisture and vapor protection over a concrete subfloor. So we have gone ahead and got our room completely prepped and ready. Any imperfections in the subfloor, we went ahead and floated and patched. I know that we make sure we vacuumed the perimeter. I know I was bugging Sky, asking him if he swept, and he said he swept like 1,000,000 times. So I did it again, right? Literally. But we vacuumed the edges real good because you want to make sure that you spread it under the wall as much as you can. And you want to pour and spread the whole thing at once so you don't have any ridges when you come back tomorrow. If you try to stop and then go again, no matter how good you are, you will get a line in the floor. So you want to be perfect, and you want to do it all in one shot if at all possible. We are using the 3/16 by 5/32 trowel. You want to use a notch trowel because it puts down an achieved thickness. A lot of people think that you use a flat trowel. It won't put it down to the right thickness with a flat trowel, so you have to use a notch trowel. So here we are, we're ready to go. This is the Bostik's MVP4. There you go, very good, very good. Now you started with a healthy amount. What do you think?
It spreads really nice, even though it's thick, it spreads well, oily.
Believe it or not, they actually had MVP down on this floor already. We had to remove it, which really was not fun. We had days of scraping and chipping away with the old glue-down bamboo, only to find that they had MVP on it, under it, with the adhesives. There was like a double layer, and apparently they had a moisture problem here, so that's why they had it down. So of course we had to go with it again because the old floor didn't have any moisture damage, but that was probably because they had the MVP down originally. But we did notice some signs of moisture along the perimeter in certain areas of the room when we removed the floor. Just didn't make it through the MVP though. Definitely don't want to leave any puddles, as we call it. You want to apply it nice and evenly. Puddles or lumps or excess adhesive, or in our case MVP, that get in the way when you go to install your flooring adhesive or your flooring. There you go. Now you got a nice rhythm going. Oh, you got the little, where's the lid so we can get that little puck out of there? You want to put the lumps when you get it?
Oh, okay.
Whenever you get it ready, put it right on top of that, you know what I mean? You got that chunky stuff in there. You want to get it now? Self-levels once you apply it, so don't worry about those ridges. They do go away.
Good?
Yeah, dude, looks real good. Looks real good. I can tell you spread a glue a few times in your day. You haven't missed any spots. I mean, this is basically a rubber membrane that it forms over the whole floor. Before you can lay your floor, though, it's 12 to 16 hours before you can put adhesive over it. And you don't want to wait more than 2 weeks, though, as well, because it'll start to lose its qualities. It's meant to be used as a two-part process with an adhesive over it. So if you have a room that has a higher than average moisture content, or you just want to be safe and not take any chances, MVP is definitely the top of the line when it comes to moisture protection. It gives you peace of mind, plus it gives you a 100% moisture guarantee from Bostik's. That means if you have any moisture problems, your floor is protected. Just like a car warranty, you get a floor warranty when it comes to moisture when you use MVP. Simple to the point. I actually have another video also that shows us how to put down MVP4 if you want to see just even more information about the product as well. I'll put the link in the description below. But be sure to check out all of our other line of videos, from wood flooring to laminate to vinyl, you name it. We also have a PayPal link below. We're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment to make these videos even better. But we need your help. Please like, share, and of course, if you already have it, take out your favorite flooring mallet and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.